Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing recidivism or reincidencia as one of the aggravating circumstances. Na-discuss na actually natin itong recidivism noong nag-discuss tayo ng 4 forms of repetition. In this video, we will discuss recidivism as an aggravating circumstance. Recidivism o reincidencia. Sino nga ba ang recidivist? A recidivist is one who, at the time of his trial for one crime, shall have been previously convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of the Revised Penal Code. Dito sa definition na ito, makikita na natin dito yung 4 na requisites ng recidivism. Kung itong 4 na requisites na ito ay mayroon sa isang senaryo, it means may recidivism. Kung absent ng isa, hindi pasok ang recidivism. Ano nga ba ang mga ito? First, that the offender is on trial for an offense, so may pending case yung akusado. Second, that he was previously convicted by final judgment of another crime. So bago yung case niya, na pending, na-convict siya sa isang kaso o nahatulan na siya by final judgment ng isa pang kaso. Third, that both the first and the second offense are embraced in the same title of the Revised Penal Code. Kung titignan niyo yung code niyo sa Revised Penal Code, may title yan. Example, crimes against persons, crimes against property, ganon. So yung first and second offense niya, under dapat siya ng same title ng ating Revised Penal Code. Example, parehas na crimes against person. Yung una is homicide, tapos yung second, physical injury. Fourth, that the offender is convicted of the new offense. So parehas siyang na-convict sa first and second offense. Kailan naman ina-admit ng court yung recidivism? Hindi porket lahat ng requisites na nabanggit ko ay mayroon, automatic nang tataas yung penalty ng akusado. Hindi ganon. In order to appreciate recidivism as an aggravating circumstance, it is necessary to allege it in the information and to attach certified true copies of the sentences previously meted out to the accused. Ano ang effect ng recidivism? Recidivism, being an ordinary aggravating circumstance, recidivism affects only the periods of a penalty. Example, kung ang penalty ay prison correctional medium, dahil recidivist yung offender, magiging prison correctional maximum ito. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.